Hey there, I'm Kimberly, Operations Executive at CSAV Systems. Today, I'm going to take you on a technology tour through a modernized and truly one-of-a-kind oral surgery center. Located in northern New Jersey, this office specializes in general dentistry, oral surgery, and prosthodontics. Offering the best care and highest service of dentistry, it only seems fitting that CSAV Systems complemented this facility with the highest quality of technology. Let's go smile our way through the office. As patients enter, they are immediately welcomed into a calming and peaceful environment. With ceiling-mounted speakers all throughout the office, soft music can be heard in every room, enhancing the ambiance of the office. These sleek, upscale speakers help maintain a seamless, clean look while matching the beautiful office aesthetic. As we walk into the operating rooms, you will see surgical technology of the future at play. Our talented team integrated high-quality ceiling retreating monitors that descend with just the click of a button. One of these monitors can be used for the patient's viewing pleasure, while the other monitor allows for an interactive touch screen for the doctors to show their patients their x-rays and results. But wait, there is more. Within the conference room, CSAV Systems installed interactive touchscreens to support essential team meetings. With all these modernized and innovative systems, it was important for our team to interface control systems so that the technology is easy to use and adjust. Our team integrated almost a dozen iPad control systems in various areas and one floating iPad, making it as easy as 1, 2, 3 for staff members to adjust any of the sound and video systems. Let's face it, going to the dentist may not always be fun, but being in a beautiful, comfortable, and relaxing environment can make that experience all that much better. The best part about this office is there is no overwhelming feeling when a patient enters the operating room because all of the technology equipment is hidden. Our team at CSAV Systems collaborated with this Oral and Maxillofacial Center in Ridgewood, New Jersey, to design and install their entire sound and video system. We worked with the doctors and staff to bring their innovative technology visions to life while enhancing the overall atmosphere. If your business is looking to upgrade its technology solutions, our team at CSAV Systems is committed to serving you with solutions. Are you ready to bring your technology visions to life? Give us a call today to schedule your free system analysis. We are ready to help you.